Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the source and purpose. Decide whether you need raw import or clean data. In Excel, open a blank workbook and go straight to data, get data for files or databases. Choose the correct connector, CSV/text for delimited files, from workbook for other Excel files, or from database for ODB/SQL. Once chosen, preview the first 5,100 rows to verify delimiters and header detection. Make quick adjustments to encoding and delimiter so columns map correctly before loading. After loading the preview, open Power Query to transform data and ensure reliability. You should split combined fields, trim whitespace, and explicitly set data types to avoid import errors. Change text to date or number as needed. Use replace values and remove rows to clean noise, then rename and standardize column headers so downstream formulas work. If you have multiple files, append or merge queries, and add calculated columns here to reduce workbook complexity before pushing the clean table back into Excel. Once transformations are complete, choose Load to Table for direct editing, Pivot Table/data model for analysis, or Connection only for later use. Load the results and validate by spot-checking sums, counts, and key rows. Use conditional formatting to flag outliers. Make sure formulas referencing the table use structured references. Refresh the connection to confirm repeatable imports. If something breaks, inspect query step errors, correct data type mismatches, and reconfigure delimiters or regional settings. Then refresh again to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.